I'm James Rowe with So Creative. Thank you for watching this video. We're located 1139 North Princeton in Wenatchee, Washington, and today we're going to talk a little bit about built-in vacuums. Built-in vacuums, when they're put into a home, is usually done in three different sections. You've got the unit that goes inside your garage or utility room, you have your hose and your power head, and then you have the installation. Today I'm primarily going to talk about the canister unit, the part that goes inside your garage. One of the best parts about the Beam built-in vacuum system is how the dirt is collected. It is collected here in the bottom in this canister, and to dump it out is real simple. You just simply twist this, and you pull down, and you throw the debris away. Now you got some options here at this point. The neat things you can do is you can add a plastic bag. We got liners that you can buy for this, or you can just use a large trash bag. But one thing you have to do that's really important is you have to weigh the bag down, because this has so much power it's going to want to suck it up. And you just simply throw away the bag at that point. This canister is also treated with a chemical which fights bacteria and the smells. And to put it back on, that's all there is to it. This is a self-cleaning filter right here. This is the key, what makes the cyclonic system work. When the machine is turned on, this filter goes all the way up, and this keeps the debris away from your motors and allows maximum suction no matter how much dirt is in your canister. When you turn off the machine, this filter is weighted and it drops down, and any debris on this will fall into your dirt collecting area, at which you can dump at your convenience. Now, how you get dirt in this machine is just as important. You have a lot of options. Your first option is this port right here. You can plug your hose directly in here. So if this is mounted in your garage or in your shop area, you can clean out your cars, you can clean your shop area. The husbands love it. Now the exhaust system, I'm going to turn this on. It's nice and quiet. The advantage of that, obviously, is if you're using your machine and your partner is out in the garage working on the car, it's not going to scare them because it's so loud. This is one of the quietest machines on the market. Now the input ports, you have 3 of them total. This first one that we talked about here, you have one here, and you also have the possibility of one over here. And I'll show you those in a minute, a close-up view. Your pipe from your house would go in here, but depending on your construction, these 2 sides can swap out. Okay, this here is your main input into the machine for your dirt and debris from your home. And we're going to pan around here. This is your garage hookup. And this is the other side. So if you wanted your input to be on this side because of how your house is built, it's just as simple as swapping out the sides. The quietness of this machine comes from the muffler system. The motor cover is actually designed to reduce the sound from the motors. And also on the exhaust port here, you notice there's a muffler. Now this can also be plumbed outdoors for extra quietness, but it doesn't need to be. With the filtration and the quiet that it already has, it can hang on your wall just like this without any extra effort. The motor is located here in the top section here. It is protected by a filter here that keeps the debris down below. And then you have a relay system here. So to install this, really all it is you hang a bracket on the wall. Your low voltage goes in right here. This plugs into a regular 110 and you're good to go. This here's the wall bracket that I mentioned that hangs the unit to the wall. There's also, it comes with a rubber seal to prevent noise and vibration from entering your home from the unit while it's running. This shows the top section of the Beam. This is the motor unit. This is the remote on-off, so you can turn the machine on while you're using the garage attachment set. And then this is the low voltage hookup. It's a similar hookup to a speaker wire. No special tools are required. And this is what turns the machine on and off when you're inside your home using the hose. And then of course this is your power cord. This is the top section here. This is the motor muffler. And then of course your exhaust muffler. So in conclusion, whether you're doing this yourself or if you're having us hang this unit, as you can see, this is definitely the best built-in vacuum cleaner that's on the market. If you have an existing system that's just worn out and it's old, this can be put into any system.